Hey guys, this is Vinay here and welcome to my channel. And today, this is the last tutorial I'm going to do for solving the Rubik's Cube. And after watching this tutorial, you learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So let's get into it. We learned till the edges that are below the yellow should match with the center. So now we did this. So now what we need is to solve the whole Rubik's Cube. Now we need the corners. We need to match the corners. Then only we can solve the Rubik's Cube. Now we need the matching corners. You know what do I mean matching corners? Not the ones that are in the correct space, but the ones that are between their own centers. Like suppose I take this one, not just because this is in the correct place, but it is in middle of red, yellow and green. See, red, yellow and green it has. So this is the correct. Rest all are not, because it is not in the middle of their own color centers. So now I'm going to teach you an algorithm. You need to do that. So just up, then right, then up, other side, because you're doing it to the left, left up. Then do the same thing but backwards, up, then down by right, and then do the other side, and then left, down. So now after you do this, you'll get a correct. If you can get a correct side at sometimes, correct corners at sometimes, and if you don't, just do the same thing in the same area again. So let's check. Did we get any? Okay, we not get. So let's do the same thing again. So now we got this and this, and we got all. See, this is green. This consists of green, orange, and yellow. So it's between their own centers. Look. Or yellow, orange and green, and even this blue, orange and yellow, and even this. Okay, so now what you need to do when you get this all, and if you don't get it fast like this, you need to do the same algorithm. And like suppose I was doing in this side, right? Last time I was doing this side, so I was doing in this side, right? So that if you get any other side, only like these two sides, if you get a new side only, not all, so you do in that side the same algorithm, and then you'll get. Okay, so now what you need to do is face the cube towards the white side up, and then the paths which are incorrect, which need to be correct, you just do the right hand algorithm. This is correct, and go to the next part. The other two are correct. Now just turn it, and the Rubik's Cube is solved. So we are done solving the Rubik's Cube. I have taught you how to solve the Rubik's Cube, and that's it. That's it. We have learned how to solve the Rubik's Cube. All the 4 tutorials are done, and the people who have not understood how to solve, just watch the video 3-4 times, then you'll get it. So goodbye. Please like, share, and subscribe.